This is the Mercedes-Benz GLE, and when it comes to cabin air filter, there are two filters you need to worry about. First of all, there is a dust filter here. It's accessible from this place, and in GLE 350 and also 2-liter diesel engine in Europe, it's very easy to access this filter. Here is the lock, so you can just turn it and this whole plastic thing goes off. And here is the filter cover. Now it has a pretty easy to access lock. You need to press here and here on two sides, and here are the locks. You see these plastic tongues go here, and you can now take out the filter. This thing is on the way, but you can take out this whole filter box. Don't forget to put it back in. And so take out the filter, pay attention to the arrows, because the airflow is important. It should be showing up. And then just put back the filter, make sure it sits correctly, lock the filter box in place, and you're done. So just put it back, put this cover back. It's hard to do with one hand, unfortunately, but hopefully you'll be using two hands and it'll be much easier. So you'll feel when it's in place actually. And now lock, and here is another lock to lock it in place. And that's all. The dust filter is the easiest one, so you need to close the hood and then move here to the cabin air filter actually. The cabin air filter is not that easy, because this panel sits on the way and you will need to remove it. To remove this panel, you will need to remove this pin. There is one pin, and it's pretty tricky. So I use a very small screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, because you see in this pin you have two parts. Now I'll show the camera. In this pin you have a little opening. You need to insert your something, in my case it's a flathead screwdriver, into this opening carefully. And as you see, the pin goes out a little bit. Now you need to move it out with your fingers and just take out the whole plastic holder, plastic pin. And then, if I remember correctly, there are two locks here. So you need to just pull this whole panel down. Here is the lock. Here is another lock. And now the panel goes out. Be careful because it has a light there, so there is an electrical connector. And if you're replacing the filter, makes sense to disconnect this blue thing and take the whole panel out. But in my case, I'm not going to replace it. I'll just show you how it works. So here is the filter box, this black one. And here are two locks for the filter box. You just need to turn them to the side. So here is how it works. Just turn one, turn the second one, and then just put down the cover, and there is the filter. So it's pretty easy to get to it anyway. Then when you are done, also be careful with the arrows showing the airflow. Don't forget to lock these two locks here, and then just put this connector back. If you disconnected it, then just tuck it back in place, which is also not that easy because this is a Mercedes and DIY jobs on this car are not easy at all. But anyway, not impossible. So now when it sits in place, you need to lock on this side and on this side. And then the last thing is to put back this pin. And that's all. The panel is back on place and the two filters are replaced. I think in the dealership they will charge you about 1 hour of labor for replacing the dust filter and the cabin air filter.